how to read sheet music, how to write sheet music, how music works. What is a major chord, what is a minor chord, how chords are constructed, why certain progression have certain, what causes consonance, what causes dissonance in sound. And I had to study cognitive neuroscience and understand why certain chords together creates dissonance in the mind and what causes.
Right. Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated on two senses. One is the sense of hearing and the one is the sense of visual. So let's talk about...
Your mind is keeping you intact with the visualization, and the art itself that you're creating is keeping you in touch with the visualization. So your focus, so there's an intensity, so your visualization develops a certain level of clarity.
Knowledge is Atelston. Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So
expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles an hour. That's amplitude, a frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. You need intense.